Lords, ladies, legends, welcome back to the channel. John here. We're in the previous Smart Car Workshop, which has now become Trailer Workshop. We're in Dad's workshop today, and this is the current state of his trailer. He's had it years, absolutely years. It's older than me. When did you buy it? Bought it in what year? A long time ago. It's older than me. Anyway,
35 years ago.
35 years, there we go.
Second-hand then.
And it's been rebuilt a couple of times in my lifetime, and the other day, as part of my garden project, which is also on the channel, check it out up there, we put 10 railway sleepers on the trailer, which Dad said, that's too heavy, it's not going to get home, and he was right. It buckled the trailer bent. What happened was the sides were made out of ply. The ply had given way over time. It had gone a bit rotten and rusted, and these bars here bent outwards. You can see here where it sort of sheared all the paint off. That is where the bars bent outwards. The sides of the trailer sort of collapsed in on themselves outwards against the tyres, causing the tyres to ultimately pop. So inevitable, Dad has now had to rebuild his trailer. This is the process that we're at the moment. The old ply is gone. We'll take a look at that. It's out here. So it's here. You can see the old ply. It's not 18mm, 12mm, I believe the previous ply was. And this is sort of the base of what it was. And you can see it's sort of given way and the sides are absolutely gone. So Dad's had it in the garage now, and he's straightened out the chassis because the chassis had bent a little bit. He's rebuilt this suspension unit here, just strengthened everything up a little bit and red oxided the underneath, ready to reboard, I suppose. We've got 2 new tyres on the rims, and we're just in the process now. I've come round to flip it over so Dad can carry on with some more building. Now, as a large gentleman, I've been tasked to help with this task. Which is straightening up the side bars. Somebody weighty needed to be in the middle to stop the trailer from disappearing, and apparently I'm just the man for the job. How are we looking?
Perfect.
Just what we needed. Large bloke stood on the trailer.
So you're going to fetch some stuff here?
Yeah.
All right, you're busy.
Right, so we've tipped her over then. We'll get it straightened up. Next job is to paint obviously this top side now. Red oxide all that, and then a top coat on there. And then we've got some better ply this time. We've got some 18mm thick ply. Dad's going to varnish that. Cut it all down, build the sides, build the base, sort the tailboard out, and away we go. There'll be an update soon on the channel. Dad's laughing because I'm too busy doing a video as opposed to helping him move the trailer. More trailer content on the way. If you've liked the video, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Drop it a like, it helps with the algorithm. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. More trailer stuff coming soon. Take care, goodbye.